Hello guys, last week I installed a new muffler on my girlfriend's Subaru, which is an Impreza 2011, because the old muffler was completely gone. At the joint it was completely broke, so it was kind of straight pipe. So I didn't have any choice but to replace it. But I must say it was probably the easiest muffler I ever replaced on a vehicle. I will show you how I did it. Obviously it's already on, so I won't remove it just to show you how to reinstall it, but I will show you that it's very easy. But the thing is, I expect the gasket for the joint to be in the package with the muffler, which wasn't. So today, when I will show you how I did it, or how I replaced it, I will install the gasket in the same time. So let's jump to it right after this message. Our Rick Stuff store is finally open, so go on spreadshirt.ca today to save as much as 15% on your Rick Stuff gear and accessories. Type Rick Stuff in the search bar and you will be redirected directly on our store page, where you'll find everything you need, whether it is for man, woman, kids, or even dog accessories. So the easiest way to do it is to remove the rear left wheel, because after that you have all the access you need to remove or to replace the muffler. If you look here at the flange, the only thing that holding the muffler in here is four rubber like that, one at each corner of the muffler, plus this flange here. It is here where I have a gasket missing. So today I will remove those two bolts so I can install the new gasket, because if you look from this angle you can see that there's a leak here, there's a big crack, so the gasket would help a lot with the noise. And to make it easier to remove the old muffler, you just have to spray some WD-40 on the rod and the rubber will slip out almost by itself. So but now I will remove these bolts and install the gasket. They're not stuck in rust because it was last week, so it's still fresh. Let's loose the one on the top now. Now let's install the new gasket. As you can see, it's very easy to install. Now before tightening it, you can have a look and see if the gasket is installed the right position, but in this case it fit very tight, but I can still see some gap in here. Probably this piece will need to be replaced as well, but I will see what kind of sound the car will do with that, because this section is still good, only the flange seems a little damaged, but I will see. Maybe with the gasket it will cover the or close the gap enough so there's no leak. We'll see about that. There we go. If you look here, I see a bit inside, but since this section is still good, if I have a leak, I will try ordering a second gasket and put 2 gasket thick, or I don't know, I will see what alternative I will go from there. But first I will start the car and see if there's still a leak. Yeah, I still feel a leak here, so I will have to do something about that. So this will be it for now. As I mentioned, there's still a leak in this flange, so I will think of something to fix this leak, and I will update you as soon as it will be done, or as soon as I will find a solution about that. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later.